We found this beautiful island and I'm so in love with this island. I just want to bring the boat closer to this place. It's my favorite island right now. Huh? Isa, this is our favorite island.
Yeah, this is our island.
Yeah, it's full of coconut trees. There's I don't know, it's a concrete building there like a house, but I don't think anyone live here. But this is the most beautiful island so far. We love it here.
Right now we are discovering this island that we found inside the atoll of Makimo. This island is a very small island, but it's very cute. We found one little, it's not really a cabin, it's like a concrete kind of thing was going on there. I think someone was trying to build something there to live, but it didn't work out. But this is such a beautiful little place that if we can bring the boat close to it, it would be nice to chill out and have barbecue on the beach. So we are just chilling out there for a while and then going for spearfishing before heading back to the boat. It is such a beautiful island. We just enjoy walking around this place and picking coconut afterwards. There's so much coconut everywhere. I feel like we have coconut almost every day in this atoll, but it's just a beautiful experience in the French Polynesian island, especially spending it with people that we enjoy. We really enjoy our friend Nevin and Hazel. They have made our trip really amazing, and they'll be leaving soon, but we will truly miss them when they're gone because they are one of our favorite friends and we have so many things in common, from kiting that Reg enjoyed doing kiting, so Reg go kiting with Nevin, and Hazel and I have our girls time, and the guys bring us out and cut coconut for us. It's just been so amazing here, but we will miss them, but we just have to enjoy the time that we have here with them and I just appreciate the moment. And that's what we're doing here in the French Polynesia, appreciating the moment that we have and enjoying each moment as they come. So I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah.
Right now we are on our way to see if this kind of snack shack is open. I don't know, yesterday Reg and I went there and the chef wasn't there, so they weren't really serving anything, but we'll see. Because when it's our girls' day, we go somewhere, a shack, a little restaurant that is reasonable, and we just relax and talk and have something to eat and drink. And Hazel, that's our girls' day thing, huh? It's tradition. It become tradition on every island we do this thing. See, you say we're far, we're already here. Bonjour, comment ça va? C'est bien? Cream cracker. Your favorite, Hazel? Nutella. Oh. This is where we tie up the dinghy. That's Hazel dinghy. So guys, we just finished our grocery shopping and we are back. I couldn't video the grocery shopping because it was too much work, and well, we have our grocery shopping. Our groceries are there. We're now just taking the dinghy and then we're off. Don't go! Go back over there.
Okay. Us together with. Alright.
Heading back to the boat right now.
Do you need a picture of that? picture of us like that.
Like that? Okay, hold on.
Just picture.
Okay. Look how beautiful it is in this spot. And you can see it clearly in the afternoon. At night it's scary. Yeah, because they have some coral reef behind. I'm just put up. So we are going back to the boat. We had an amazing morning, me and Hazel, and now we are back.
One, two, eight, 7, 6, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
Merci beaucoup,
It's
Hazel.
nice when you. It's nice when you have a lit. That's basic.
Soft touch. Go on, Hazel, I'm sure.
You can get better from the boat.
Someone brought music for us.
Really good.
Yeah? It's just coconut and a little bit of skim milk and rum.
Yeah.
It's like a coconut drink.
And I came in almost flat. Same thing.
Mm?
It's all private. All private. Everywhere you go, it's all private land because
Looking good, Chef Nevin.
it's the same in Tahiti. Oh, my great.
In Tahiti, right? Is a
It's the same. It's all private property.
yeah.
We went to cycle up a river.
Mhm.
Couldn't. No, yeah.
You couldn't cycle up the river, huh?
Yeah, private road.
Man, I love the place.
The chicken look good.
Beautiful.
It's better this way. It's dark.
It was hard to find, but it was
Alright, take us up.
Yeah.
What does it mean by basil?
Those are two
It's just rhyme.
little ones, huh? Those.
Darling!
Yeah, I think
Oh,
it,
you said you wanted to be the cook.
And they're not the same.
No, I don't want to be up.
you don't want to do it anymore.
Yeah, they're both.
Burn.
Well, leave it. Feel it.
On the barbecue.
Don't throw it.
It's much too hard.
Oh, need to
It's
go.
almost impossible to do.
No, we might need to put the thing higher a little bit, huh?
Yeah, I need lower heat. It's alright.
What
What
you
do
do on the barbecue? Can you imagine trying to do it on?
you do it? Don't.
Lift it from the middle, right?
Just put the outside a little bit, whatever.
Lift it right up so you're away from the heat. You okay?
Yeah, it's small. And put it in. Is it closer? Maybe it's too. Oh yeah, smart.
Oh, you've done
Smart guy.
Go very low. Look at the other end there. It's barely on the pole.
Yeah, good. No, good.
No.
No, hold on.
All right.
I think that's
Let's
finished.
think about it.
I don't know if you have to see what they're or not, but it's good.
Yeah, we can take it down. It's going to be well.
We're fine.
No, but we're testing it for the girls. Because the girls
again.
Psychological.
Wonderful.
How is your fish, baby?
Good. Am I okay sitting here?
Yes, you can.
Am I allowed to sit here?
Mm-hmm.